Craig, Rockwell Automation is known for their innovation decades in the industrial world.
Absolutely.
A lot of their clients probably have a lot of concern about moving to the cloud.
Yep.
What would you say to them about, that choice about staying on-prem and moving to the cloud?
Well, ultimately, we do envision that the majority of their customers and the majority of applications will begin to all be cloud-based. But, in manufacturing, it tends to be more of an evolution rather than revolution. It's so critical that processes, you do not want to cause a disruption to a process that can cause, for example, unscheduled downtime or loss of production. So people like to be able to evolve at the pace that they're ready. So the perfect solution is that to allow the customers to move and evolve at the pace that fits their own needs. There's no magic formula. It's really on a case by case basis. One of the things that Rockwell Automation has done is, even though they've certainly have a number of on-premise solutions, especially for applications like MES, for example, they went out and purchased a very strong, MES cloud provider, a company called Plex. So what this does is this enables a Rockwell customer to really decide when they are ready to move, for example, their MES applications from on-prem into the cloud. Some will be comfortable right now maintaining on-prem. Some will want to begin a migration now and move to a Plex solution. Some may actually even end up in a hybrid situation of having both. But the idea is to let the customer determine when is it right for them. So I think that's why it's critical to be able to truly, when a customer says, is it cloud or on-prem, the answer is yes. But it's not yes to one, it's really yes to both. And I think that's probably one of the things that drove a company like Rockwell Automation, to purchase Plex, and why I think it was certainly a very great strategic acquisition for them.